Today's adventure is going to be so much fun. It's actually something that I've been wanting to do for a really long time by myself, and today is that day.
What's up, everyone? I'm Rachelle, and welcome to Adventure is Never Far Away. It's possible to have a life full of adventures. Subscribe and come along as I show you that adventure is never far away.
A few months ago, my family got together and we did what we called a Disney at home adventure. My sister had the great idea to pick a Disney movie where we would watch it, but also eat foods that were inspired by either the movie or its location. At the time, we decided to do Princess and the Frog, which takes place in Louisiana. So my sister made beignets and mint julep, and I made gumbo. And then we watched The Princess and the Frog with my nieces and nephew. So much fun and delicious. So much so that I've been dying to do it again by myself and see how it goes. Today, I've chosen the movie Coco. If you haven't seen Coco yet, you need to watch it. It is absolutely amazing. It's one of my new favorites, and it makes me cry every single time. I just love it, and the music is fantastic. Coco is based in Mexico, and so tonight, we're having Mexican food. But I didn't want to do just tacos or burritos or any kind of Tex-Mex inspired Mexican food. So I dug deep and I found something that I've never made before. I've actually never had before, but I know that it's a traditional Mexican dish. It's called Chilaquiles. Basically, you take tortillas, corn tortillas, you cut them into strips, fry them, make a red or green salsa, cook them together, and then top them with either avocado or crema, fried eggs. Today, I'm gonna top it with an elote dip that I've made. Elote is a Mexican street corn where you grill the corn, you cover it in mayo, Parmesan cheese, and you put some spice or pico on it. Let's get cooking. Activate chef mode. What? Gotta protect the clothes. I love to cook. I love anytime I can get to the kitchen. I can use my gadgets, I can use my spices, I can try new recipes. I love feeding people, so they kind of just go hand in hand. That looks really, really good, and I am quite proud of myself. Oh, that's a tear into this. Let's go get Coco ready. Well, I've got my chilaquiles, got my jarritos, I've got a little tres leches cake for dessert. Now it's time to get stuck into Coco. Side note, I don't even, like, how am I supposed to attack this? It's gonna get messy. See you for the next adventure.